Please make sure to disconnect all air and electrical connections from the reamer before performing any maintenance or service. Now we're going to discuss how to replace the clamp limit switch. Begin by removing all 4 screws from the top plate. Remove the top plate itself. Ensure that the clamps are closed. If they're not, the tie bar will be too close to the switch to remove. Loosen the single bolt holding the clamp switch on. And remove the switch from the unit. Your replacement switch will come with the bracket. You will reuse the fastener that held on the switch in the first place and run all your wires back through the grommet in the bottom of the clamp housing.